Once again, my chiefs, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You see, I know what I go a fugo wada. Yeah?
So
I will go about if you feel like it. So I'm just so curious that two powerful chiefs from my kindred pay me August visit. So I'm not safe. I say, I want to know whether I've done something wrong.
No. On the contrary, my brother. You know that our last Igwe is your cousin, died without a son.
yes.
And as tradition dictates, the throne has left his lineage and is now your family. That is why we are here.
I know it. I know that. And Dr. Kechuku is the next in line, and I will give him my support.
Okechukwu is not interested.
What?
Yes. He wrote a letter to the members of the cabinet stating categorically that he doesn't want. Yes.
So that is why we are here, my brother. Since he does not want it, you are next in line.
Yes.
But this is unexpected. So sorry.
Okwani aka eji amodo. Mbelede nyiri dike. Mono mbelede ka eji amadike.
Obiora, our brother, you are a successful contractor, a very successful one, a reputable businessman. Your reputation precedes you. And you understand our people. Bikomanna, do not say no.
My chiefs, my brothers.
Well, listen.
You know, it is a thing of joy that my brothers believe in me. So I appreciate that fact. But what is going to happen is this. You people will have to give me time to think about this. Please, just give me time to think about it. And very soon, I will call you people and give you people answer.
We understand. Thank you.
So, yeah.
Mwana na atakoro na kwa wale.
Your kinsman left, you have just been a little bit withdrawn. I hope all is well. I hope there's no bad news from the village.
No bad news. Actually, my kinsman want me to become the next king of Umoja. Yes.
Why? I thought Dr. Okechukwu is the next in line to the throne.
He declined. Yeah, he refused. That's why they've chosen me to be the next. I told them they should give me time to think about it.
I hope you're not considering it.
What do you mean? Eh? You want him to throw away this golden opportunity? Honey, don't mind her. She does not understand what is being offered to us. Honey, this is an opportunity people are looking for. People kill for this. You know what? Just call them and accept it. Please, I want to be the next queen. Yes. Okay?
And you think being a king is just walking in the park? You have to move to the village and I can't do it!
Hey! See who's talking? Were you not in the village when my husband picked you and cleaned you up?
Stop it.
My king, please. It's okay. You know reality fits you and I. Just accept it, please. Okay? Honey, okay? Just accept it.
I told them that I want to think about it. And I'm now thinking, but you people don't want to allow me to think. Please,
Okay.
give me a chance to think.
Think, honey.
No, give me a chance to think.
Honey, think! Think well, honey.
Give me a chance to think.
It's okay. Just relax and think well.
No, give me a chance to think.
It's okay, it's okay. It's okay, honey. You're a fool. I hate you.
Mom! Mom, what's going on?
I will tell you. Ella, rather, I will tell you, my children. You are looking at the new Queen of Umoja. You don't understand me. I'll make you understand. Your father has just been confirmed as the next king of Umoja by his kinsmen.
What?
Yeah. And guess what? We are now royalty!
Oh, this is a good news. So, David is now the prince.
Hey!
Princess Ella.
I know where to be a daughter of the king.
Hi! Your stepmother played a foolish role by telling your father not to accept it.
Is she under the influence of alcohol?
I don't know.
That woman, she's very stupid. Is it that she doesn't know what royalty is?
Eh?
I
hope that accepted it.
Your father said he will think about it.
What is there to think about now? You should just say yes now.
Yes.
Just calm down. Calm down. He doesn't have a choice. He will accept it.
Hi!
So, royalty. 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 Royalty.
Princess!
You learn to act like...
This is the best thing that has ever happened to your family.
Exactly, my sister.
Hey, Your Majesty.
Sister, stop.
What can I remember?
Honestly.
Hey,
I thank God.
congrats.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey,
But, sister,
the
problem is that my husband has not yet accepted.
Why? What is he waiting for?
I don't know. He's still thinking about it.
Thinking about getting. This is where you will come in. Do your best to convince him. Let him accept it. Let him understand the benefits of being the king. If in this country, power is everything. Opportunity, they say, comes only once. Let him grab this one with both hands. You got that? Oh, my queen. Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
I'm gonna give sister.
Royalty. On a summer.
Yes.
Oh.
Okay, sister.
Congratulations in advance, my queen.
My king, you're still You okay, right?
Yes. I'm good.
My king, have you decided what to tell your kinsmen?
Not yet.
Not yet? Or did you want to allow this golden opportunity slip through your fingers?
Grace, you won't understand.
Yes.
You see, you only consider the advantages. You don't consider the disadvantages.
My king, the advantage outweighs the disadvantage. Only you will have access to top government officials, big-time businessmen, major stakeholders in our state and beyond. My king, you're a contractor. Okay, now, imagine the unlimited opportunity being a king will bring to you. My king, you have nothing to lose. Absolutely nothing. My king, honey, just say yes, okay? Just say yes.
My chief. Igbo si na ọkụ arụ nye nwata n'aka nwere ka olekwu.
Ọma nlegwu ya no.
Azikwa na nwata nne ya tubele ori n'iju ọbaba ụzọ. What I'm trying to say is this. I have thought about it with my family. And I will accept the honor of serving my people as their king.
This is beautiful, Obiora. You have made us proud. Congratulations, my king.
I was even worried that he may not accept it. Obiora, we will write a letter officially to our town union and tell them that our people have decided to present you as the 12th king of Omocha. And you will also prepare for your induction into the prestigious Nzenozo before you become king. Makana Ichirozo, Ibuligo,
That is not a problem. That's not a problem. It's okay. It's okay, man.
We will bring the list of the requirements for other title from Nzenozo.
Yes.
Then we will pass it to you.
It's okay. That's not a problem.
Your Highness.
I'll get it, man.
Hello, sister. He has accepted.
Beautiful. I knew you could handle it.
They told him to prepare for his other title before the coronation.
Grace.
Yes, sister.
You have to be careful.
I don't understand.
Are you busy?
No, I'm not.
Come over. Come.
Okay.
Do you trust me?
Sister, what kind of a question is this?
Grace, do you trust me?
Of course I trust you. You're my only sister. I trust and believe in you.
Then you have to be careful with your co-wife and her son, especially this period.
Oh. Sister, Patricia is harmless.
Forget that thing!
Honestly, you need not to worry. Besides, I control her most times. Ah, sister, I thought it was something serious.
It is serious, Grace. This same thing happened when I warned you about your husband getting another wife. You never believed me. Until he went to the village, got married to another woman who was able to give him a son because you weren't able to do so. Now, her son has so much authority over your son. He is now occupying the position your son David should have occupied.
But we've been living peacefully.
Hey.
Listen, sister. My husband loves his sons equally. That's the truth.
At times, Grace, I wonder if truly we are the same blood. You don't have foresight. You think that woman will be happy to see you, watch you as the Lolo? Just wait. Wait until your husband Obiora becomes the king and her son crowned the prince. Your son David will lose his right and power over anything his father owns. That boy will deny him everything. You see how powerful they will become.
That will never happen.
Oh, the ego. Then and only then, the scales will fall off your eyes. Anya you foggy. No leba chisasibanya.
Victor! Are you writing a song?
Yes, I'm writing a song. I just...
Let me see!
No. You know, I just got this inspiration. I just dropped it inside me. So I just have to write this now before I get this thing formatted. But for now, I don't need to show it to you.
I'm your sister.
I know, but for
I'm your
now-
sister.
No, I should not now. I just got this inspiration. So it just from the wait, you see it. When I release the album, don't worry. No, you don't need to see it. Don't worry, when I drop the album. No. See,
I'm your sister.
Wait, I know you are my sister. But see,
I will give you.
just calm down. Wait, just calm down. When I release the album, I will show you. Promise. Okay, you'll be in my video. I'll be in my video. But for now,
Grace, you're back. Welcome. Pat, excuse us. I want to speak with my husband. Are you deaf? I said excuse us. I want to speak with my husband.
Is anything wrong?
Oh, she's asking a question. Okay, fine. You don't understand me, right? I'll make it easier for you. Get up and get out. I want to speak with my own husband. Did you get that?
What nonsense?
What? Did you just talk back at me? Do you realize I'm the law of Umoja community?
Shut up! What nonsense is this? But you don't know what you talk. What is happening here? Before me? You people are just... What is wrong with you, Grace? So, both of you can now say whatever you like in my presence. Grace, you barged in here just to disrespect me?
Honey,
Don't honey me! Stop that honey! Wow! Grace! So it has gotten to this. Grace, let's come over you. You walked in here. You didn't greet me. She greeted you. You did not answer. All you are saying is you want to speak with your husband. Meaning, what was the meaning of that? Are you out of your mind? And you have the right to stay in my presence and commit all those nonsense. Oh my God. Don't make me angry because look.
have you seen what you've caused? Okay. This war has just begun.
Mom, what was that all about?
I don't know.
What exactly happened?
She walked in, was very disrespectful, I lost my temper, and your dad got angry. It wasn't really intentional.
Was that why she did what she did? Me, I won't greet her again, no.
Maybe she was having a bad day.
I won't greet her again.
You must greet her. She's your elder. You must greet her whether she answers or not. You must greet.
But Mom,
I was raised like that. And I want you people to grow up the same way. Greet your elders. Whether they respond or not, you greet. Keep greeting. Is that clear?
Yes, Mom.
yes, Mom.
Mom, what was the shouting downstairs about? I've never seen Dad and Mom Tracy in such angry mood.
It was a minor misunderstanding.
Mom, did she insult you? Because if she did, I'll go downstairs now and give her a piece of my mind. Ella! Don't Ella me! I never liked that woman. She's so annoying. I don't even know why she's my stepmom.
Hey, girls, please. Calm down. The battle has just started. I know my girls are so ready to fight for me. But you know what? This battle is specifically for me. And I can fight it. Not to worry. I can fight it.
Are you sure, Mom?
Where's David?
What's up?
Wait, sir. The place. Oh, wait now. You give me chance now.
I'll say what?
See you. This one, Joro. Okay, I'm going to say it. See, you be helping me. You come
No, God, play.
Tiaba.
I see when those have play ball, now they talk. Tiaba. Don't do yourself. Don't do yourself now. You need to go play. See the face.
See this guy. You have you forgot that you are the one that played
ball
the last match for.
I know.
This guy don't know how to play ball, David. No, David,
come on now.
David now.
Please. Now, Mama, come down now. Please.
Mama, go up. You have man. Come.
David, follow me.
Mama, good afternoon. Good afternoon, mommy. Yes. I'm coming now.
Single us now.
She did not hear us. Bring the ball, let us be playing.
How do you mean?
She did not hear us.
It's a lie. She had us.
She did not hear. Go and play.
What are you trying to say?
Don't worry, forget. Let's be playing ball. Victor will soon join us. Let's be playing ball. It's coming. Just let's be managing.
But now I want to play the ball.
Just stay there. We'll just be playing like that. Just stay there.
Pass for me
Come
now.
to the side. Wait now. People come back and join us.
David, are you stupid? Are you crazy?
Man, what did I do?
Why are you playing with Victor?
But I've always played with him now.
That ends today. I don't want to ever see you around him.
Mom, why?
You don't ask me a stupid question. What do you mean, Mom, why? Eh? You just have to obey me. I am your mother. And you must obey every single instruction I give to you. Stay away from Victor. Did you get that?
But Victor is my brother, my own brother.
Shut up! You don't have a brother. He is your half brother. Now get inside your room. Stay away from Victor.
What is it again?
Every time I greet Momela, she doesn't answer. She doesn't behave like this before. Her attitude is honestly getting out of hand. I'm tired.
You mean you greeted and she didn't answer again?
Yes.
Mom, I'm tired also. I don't know. The other day playing ball outside, me and I and go. We greeted Ella's mom and she ignored our greeting.
I have told the people to keep greeting her. Even if she's not responding, greet her. Respect your elders. Keep greeting her. Don't stop greeting her, please.
Okay.
Tired of greeting her.
You will greet.
I am tired. We are tired.
You people greet her. Keep greeting her. She's your elder.
Who placed that kettle on the fire?
Mama, I'm boiling water for Gary.
You're boiling what? Are you crazy? Are you crazy? I'm living a lot of allowance. How dare you?
What is it?
She slapped me.
Why did you slap my daughter?
You want to know why I slapped your daughter? Really? Then I will explain to you why I slapped your daughter. Hold on, Sergeant!
I am disappointed. I am highly disappointed in both of you. I thought I left my home in the care of adults. But it's obvious I left my home in the hands of two irresponsible women. Yes. What are you teaching your children? How to hate, how to be wicked. That's what you're teaching your children. What kind of wickedness is this?
She started it. You're very stupid. How dare you point your dirty finger on the law of water community? How dare you?
Have you seen it?
Have you seen what?
Shut up! Silence! Sit down! Now, if any of you utter a word again, I promise both of you, I will show you the kind you have never seen from me. That's all this. So that is all you teach my children. Fight war. Whatever you sow is what you reap. Be ready to bear the consequences of what you are leading my children into. Yes! What is all this? Now I am giving this one. If this kind of thing happen again in this house, I will make sure I deal with whoever that is to get in it. Yes, the person will receive the kind of punishment she or he never expected from me. I summoned two of you here because you are the arrowheads of this family. Ab initio, I never had any intention of marrying two wives. No. I don't know more someone. No. But I came to this world as an only child. Only child. And I needed companionship. I needed a son. That your lineage will not close. So, when my first wife, your mother Grace, gave birth to Ella, I was so happy. Yes, I was so happy. But I don't know what happened, whether it was devil or whatever. She could not conceive again for years, up to 9 years. She could not conceive again. And the pressure became so much on me as the only child, because my people, they are afraid that our lineage may just close like that. So when the pressure was so much on me, I got married to Victor's mother. I married her. To my amazement, she conceived and gave birth to Victor. Coincidentally again, I don't know how it happened. Whether I would say that the coming of Victor opened the womb of your mother to give back to you. So I asked God for a son. I was saying, God, even if it's a son, but God gave me 2 sons. I felt so good. You boys are my pride. I love your mothers equally, and I've provided whatever they need. Just like I love both of you and all my children equally. Please, I am begging you people. Let love reign in this family. You are men. You people should not have the same mentality with women. Whatever it is, let love reign. You people will always do what? Make sure that love reigns in this family. Do you people want me to die? Please, let love reign in this family. Okay.
Thank you, Father. Thank you, Father.
It's okay. And you have any problem, just let me know. I'll take care of it. Huh?
Thank you, Father.
You can go.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father.
You should have given that woman a permanent scar.
Sister, we tried our best. Hi! I never knew that woman had strength. That is your problem.
That is your problem. You are always underestimating that woman. Don't worry. One day she will chase you out of your husband's house. Okagaka. Your mistake was thinking that woman was weak.
Huh? I will never make that mistake again. Sister, I was so proud of my daughters. Especially Ella. You need to see the way she attacked her. She won't forget in a hurry.
Yes, sir.
That
one has my blood in her. Eh? Yeah, that's good though. What of David?
Honestly, I don't understand David. She keeps following Victor.
Is it not your fault? Eh? You are the one that allowed him to be influenced by those people. Your son will be begging for his right in his own father's house.
God forbid.
God forbid. God forbid, Bumiikwe. God forbid. Hey.
Sister, but we tried though.
Your best wasn't good enough. I wish I was there. Yeah.
Sister, but we tried.
Your best was not good enough at all.
Oh God. This guy is kind of dramatic. This guy is very dramatic, as in I swear. Can you see that? As in, I don't. How can this guy just be doing this kind of thing?
David!
Welcome.
Good afternoon. Please.
Keep your greetings to yourself. I want to see you upstairs now.
David!
No. Mom.
David, what is wrong with you? I want you to stay away from Victor and his family. Why? You're asking me why? How many times did I tell you not to ever ask me questions? Obey my instruction, are you crazy?
Mom, it is not easy. How can you ask me to stay away from my own brother?
He is not your brother. He is your enemy. He came to steal. Stay away from him.
Mom, he is my brother. And we live in the same house and answer the same surname.
How dare you talk back at me? Are you insane?
This is the list of the requirements for your induction into the prestigious Nzanazo.
I was great to know. It's okay. It's not too much.
So when you make the payments for the requirements, you will now choose a date. The account number is there. You make the payments, you now choose a date. So, but you tell us the date before you begin to buy the cow and other perishable things. So that we'll now make sure everything is set. But please, make sure the date you choose is not an Oye market day. No
problem, it's okay. Can I also induct my sons into another title?
Of course.
Yes, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. So I will pay for 3. Yes. So that my sons and I will receive the title the same day.
If you want to look at the winners, every pocket each other would
Oh no. It is well.
What happened? What's going on? What? I passed Ella and Sandra on their way going out. I greeted them, they snubbed me. They didn't do anything wrong.
You passed Ella and Sandra when coming in.
They snubbed me now. I will start lying again.
Ugo, you did nothing wrong to them, okay? There was a royal fight in the house.
Huh?
Ella's mom beat up Tracy and also insulted my mom. What? Ella wanted me to stay clear from David.
This is very bad though, but this family wasn't like that before now.
It wasn't. No one talks to each other. David and I are trying to keep the peace in the family.
But that wasn't enough reason for them to snub me now. I'm not family friend.
I know. I'm sorry.
It's bad though, it's bad for them all. As if nobody was even talking to them.
Sorry now, I've said sorry, okay? So let's forget about them.
It's bad though. What are you not doing here?
I'm just trying to check something on the net.
Come, let's go inside, I beg.
Victor, David.
Yes, sir.
2 of you know that I'm preparing for my Ozo title in preparation for my coronation as the king of Umoja.
Sir.
I asked them Denzel, and they have agreed to induct both of you into Denzel also.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Father. Thank you, sir.
You like it?
Yes, sir, I do.
Good. So you people should go and get me 3 names. You like 3 names. So I will look into it and know the one that is the best for you.
Okay, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir.
And if we want a member.
Always happy, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Daddy.
Thank you, sir. Mom, I got good news. Guess what? Mom, guess!
Did you win a lottery?
No, Mom. Daddy will indulge Victor and I into the Zonozo.
Did you see you and Victor?
Yes, Mom.
And you call that a good news?
Mom, why are you doing this? You suddenly changed. What wrong has Victor's mom done to you?
She took away my joy when she cheated her way into my house. Bore a son for my husband before me. And now her son will have the lion's share of your father's wealth. And as well become the next king of Umoja instead of you.
Grace.
Sister, good evening.
Evening.
No.
Calm down. Calm down. Tell me what happened.
My son doesn't understand me. He's busy celebrating a men's and other title. When he's supposed to be the crown prince, instead of that, wretched Victor.
It's okay. You don't need to cry, oh? Just calm down.
Okay.
Come with him tomorrow morning.
Okay.
Oh, you need to rest. You need that strength, okay?
Good night, sister.
Hey, welcome.
Oh, thank you, sister.
Hi.
You look good.
Thank you. Morning, ma'am. How are you? Yay! You know what? David! How you are now a big boy, you? Okay, forgo. If I had seen him on the road, like, come on,
He's so grown.
he is. Oh. Your mother told me that you will soon be an Nzenozo.
Yes, ma'am.
High chief. And you're happy.
Yes, ma'am.
You're smiling.
Yes, ma'am.
Imoma. You have lost your right as the son of the first wife. And a G-Chin Nzenozo, and you're happy about it. You're satisfied. Let me tell you something. When your father married this my sister, your mother, he had nothing. He was living in 1-bedroom apartment that he couldn't even afford. It was my father, our father, your grandfather, that made your father whatever he thinks he is today. Oh. Your mother has not told you my story. She has never told you why I don't have a husband nor children. Oh, Mom, let me tell you this story.
Come on, join us now. Come on, join us now. Don't play. Hey, come on, play now. Don't worry, it's not interesting.
Excuse me. So you don't have respect? Huh?
Stand aside, sisters. Please. Who are your sisters? I said excuse me.
Are you mad? Who are you all to? Huh? Stop this stupid piano.
Oh, yeah!
Some people married even up to 10 and they are still alive. Why is my own different? Why is my own different? Get it home. Hey! I am disappointed in all of you, especially both of you. The people I call men. I feel I have two grown-up men in my house. That when I'm not around, they will represent me and represent me well. Bring peace into my house. But reverse is the case. You people are even joining force to cause more problem in this house. I am so ashamed of both of you. If not, what kind of thing is this? Look at you. Look at your sister. See the way you beat your sister, all of you. Instead of you to stop sister like this? It was saying, what you saying? Huh? You people are very stupid and wicked. Yes! I'm Madam Grace. Look one. First wife that doesn't know that she's first wife. That's supposed to bring peace and harmony in this family. Look at you. But I tell you, very soon, I will know that power that is playing world's drum for you. Mama can tell you a walk or get on. How can you know more here? Come up on order. Mama, yes, I promise you that. Nonsense.
My husband, one grace, any day she and her children lay their hand on my daughter again, either they will kill me or I will kill them that day. They will take me by the stone meaning I don't know what to do. I'm just respecting you. Warner, if not what? Try me! What? Try me next time! What will you do? Try me and see! Try me! What will you do? Try me and see! You will do me like crazy! Try me! Grace, just try me!
Mechie no kita. Mechie no kita.
Can you imagine?
Consider. Imagine what? Imagine what? Hey! When you look at man the quality of man. When you look at you too. You, all of you. Anyway, no problem. Grace, Pat, I hope both of you are happy.
Yeah.
Both of you are happy.
Everything is vanity. Vanity upon vanity. Yeah.
Pat, you are beating more than you can chew. You have. I will give you wrong. You have done it wrong.
Mbens and also have received the payment from you and your two sons. We are eagerly awaiting the date you will fix for your induction into Mbens and also, so that we can hasten up the flowers for your coronation as Igwe.
And also remember that everything on that list is now there.
No, I've discussed that with him.
Okay, no problem.
What? Slowly walking towards a date. Yes, but you know, it's a very, but you know, it's going to be a very serious occasion.
Yes.
Yes, and I'm renovating my house in the
You fool! Do you know what you just did? You just embarrassed this family before the elders of this village. Yes! Look at you! Just PlayStation I bought with my own money! That is why. Just PlayStation, ordinary PlayStation I bought with my own money. That's why you chased your brother with bottle. You wanted to stab your brother with bottle. You chased him before the elders of this village. Oh, you are a fool. The elders of this village, they have no regard for you again. In fact, the entire people of Umocha sees you now as a tout of a female away. That's what you've done to yourself. That is what you are. Idiot.
It's okay. Don't mind your father. You did the right thing. At least now they will know you're not a pushover. It's okay, calm down. It's okay. It's okay.
David. Odogu Cable.
Auntie.
I'm not touching gum.
Auntie.
I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, Auntie.
Your mother told me what you did.
Yes, Auntie, but I felt a little bad about it.
Why? Why? You shouldn't. Felt bad for fighting for your right? You were fighting for what rightfully belongs to you. Let no one, not even your father, make you feel bad for fighting for your rights. My son, there is nothing, no difference between you and Nelson Mandela. You are a freedom fighter.
Thank you.
Aye! Ibuago.
Thank you.
Odogu Cable, ma'am.
If so, next time, Auntie, I'll fight more.
Fight well so that you write your name in history. You write your name in gold.
Yes,
Yes. Oh, I'm so proud of you. Next time I'll buy you something. I'll buy you something.
Thank you, Auntie.
Meanwhile, your mother told me you love vegetable soup.
Yes, that's my favorite.
Guess what? I prepared it for you. I pounded it myself.
Thank you, Auntie.
Yes, so I just want to use it to say thank you for your bravery.
Thank you,
Mother Cable.
Thank you, Auntie.
But next time, fight well.
Auntie, you hear my scores.
Okay.
I will do more than what I need.
On your mom. Like I at table. Let me bring out your food. Hi! I go Cable, mom. Odogu. My father was the one.
The lights no good them. Nothing at all. Of course. Who got the one more? Nothing at all. Asina. I feel born and working. My name is Nano, Nebo Mas, Popo Haiti. The despicable act which we witnessed the other day was reported to the meeting of Indians and also. What do you?
We had no option than to report what we saw. Lindsay also deliberated upon the matter and decided that your son David is not mature enough to become a member of the Zenozo. My brother, we hate to be bearers of bad news, but you have to give us an account number so that we will return the money you paid for David's induction into Zenozo. Maybe in the future, who knows, when he's mature enough, the Zenozo will consider him if he reapplies. I'm not going to look at each other.
My chief, I understand everything, and it's okay by me. I understand the matter. There's no problem. Maganazi na iru mulichi. Maganazi na iru mulichi. Wana komitiza. Wana kanene. Wana kanene.
I told you. I said it. I was right all this while, but you never believed me. Now Pat has hit you below the belt. It has always been her game plan all along. David. Hey. They have taken the other title from you, okay? Okay? Who knows what they will take from you next? It is not your fault, Chris. Your fault! If you had put that woman and her son in their rightful positions, all these things wouldn't have happened. Huh?
Auntie, what should we do?
This boy, I like you. I like you. You are a man of action. Hey! You have my father's blood in you. Naya, you will do as I will tell you now. Okay? And everything will be fine.
Is there nothing that can be done to retain the Ozo title?
Nothing. They have returned the money paid for him.
This is serious, though. See what anger has cost him.
I warned him. I told him, whoever that is beating this drum for you, this war drum for you, will definitely lead you to Rome. Yes, I warned him. And the chief said that he's not mature enough for the other title. Yes. But in the future, when he gets matured, if he applies, they may accept him. Yes.
I just hope so.
I will show you this house, This house.
Yes! Come on here!
Victor survive this. Our God will not allow these useless enemies in this house to shame us.
God will not, oh my dear.
Where is David?
He's been arrested for attempted murder. And for now, the constant was tried, so he's been remanded in prison awaiting trial.
I pray he rots in jail. What about his mother?
That one. My husband gave her suspension, so she's been at her sister's house.
Only suspension. Only suspension. He should have sent her packing. She should thank her God I'm not around. I was not around when all this nonsense happened. I would have dealt with her. That's by the way. Auntie, please, let me go upstairs and pick something so we can go. Let me see my boy.
Okay, let's do that now.
Sorry. You need to calm down. Your son will soon be released and you will go back to your husband's house.
How could he banish me from my own house and deny me access to my daughters?
He's just trying to be a man, flexing his muscles.
Do you think he did the right thing? You told me that Obiora would never allow anything to happen to David, right?
If you had succeeded in killing Victor, but you did not. If you had killed him, Obiora wouldn't have had no choice. He would have closed the case. It would simply have been a case of self-defense in a family crisis. And we would have paused here. Well, don't worry. Everything will soon be fine. You need to relax, no?
This is very unfortunate. This is very, very unfortunate. I hope Victor is getting better.
Yes, the doctor said that we were very lucky. The knife did not penetrate the vital organ. Yes. I don't know the kind of temptation that entered my family this time. I don't know. But they will not succeed.
They
will not succeed.
They will not. Eh? Hi! Ochunka Bafuko. What about David? What will you do about it?
Do about David? How? If only Metelo will this year for me. Yes. He must suffer for his action. I mean, face the wrath of the law.
Based on the date you chose for your induction into Nzanozo, before this unfortunate incident occurred, you know, you asked me to buy 2 cows for you for the event. It seems you're going to have to suspend your induction till Victor gets better.
Yes, they have to postpone it. It's okay.
Well, I've already bought the 2 cows, so what do I do about it?
Donate 1 to our kinsmen and 1 to Nigerian also. That will be my contribution for the New Year Festival.
Thank you very much. I'll do exactly what you wish.
It's okay.
Victor will get better.
Daddy, please. We are sorry. We are sorry for what has happened in the family. You warned us, but we didn't listen. Please, Daddy, please forgive us.
We are truly sorry, Dad.
Daddy, please, we'll beg on our mother's behalf. Please let her come back.
You want me to forgive your mother?
Yes, Dad.
Just look at you. Look at what you're asking for. How can I forgive someone that did not ask for forgiveness? An unrepentant sinner.
Okay, Dad. Forgive David and get him out of jail. His condition is very bad. We went to visit him in the prison. He asked us to beg you on his behalf. He's suffering there, Dad. Please.
I've heard you. And you know what you have to start doing now? Both of you. Go in. Even if it means you fasting and praying. Go pray without ceasing. Yes. So that Victor will survive. Okay? So that Victor will survive. If not, David will spend the rest of his life in prison.
Dad, please no! Daddy, please no! Hey. Dad!
We have to keep begging, Dad.
Now I know that Dad is hard-hearted. How can he sleep at night knowing that his son is in prison? If he's Victor now, he'll be running around for his release.
Ella, stop that.
Stop what? It's truth. Mom is his first wife and I'm his first child. Yes, Dad doesn't love us. They have poisoned his heart against us.
Ella, you are wrong. We brought this on ourselves. Put yourself in that shoe. What would we have done?
I can't believe this. So you're supporting them? Eh? You're supporting them?
All we have to do is to change our ways and keep begging Dad to forgive us.
Sandra, you are weakly. Ella!
Everything you have.
Come out now, we are late.
Auntie, I'm coming, I'm almost done.
Be fast. Mister will soon be very hungry and you will soon start complaining.
Everything you have got.
Auntie, sorry I wasted your time. I'm here.
What have you been doing inside now?
I was only trying to get ready.
Victor will soon be ready and we need to go there.
Let's start going. And who is she staring at?
What's your business?
Auntie, who is our mate here?
Did she talk to you?
I don't like that. Why would she be staring at me?
You will talk to who talks to you now. She didn't talk to you, so let's go.
I don't really like that.
Obiora is heartless. I've been here for 1 month. And my son is still in the prison awaiting trial. Be patient. For how long? How long, sister? Is it when my son dies in the prison and I lose everything?
Your son will not die. He will come out of this whole thing stronger like a phoenix. He will rise from the ashes.
I hope you're right. Because I don't understand anything anymore. Should I call Obiora and beg him?
Which one of you will?
Please, I'm sorry.
Nenya. Drink. Finish it.
Okay.
Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, my boy. How are you?
I'm fine.
Where is your mom?
She and Tracy went to the hospital to get some medicine for Victor's treatment.
Okay. Okay. I'm hungry. Just prepare something for me to eat.
Alright, sir. I'll get something. Victor, come in so I can get you something.
They're coming. Good evening.
Dad, I'm still begging to do something about David. I went to see him today. His condition is very bad. He is in the midst of criminals.
Yes. Yes. He committed a crime. So, that one makes him a criminal.
Dad, I know what he did was wrong. I assure you that he will never be a disappointment to you in this family again. Please, Dad.
My daughter, what you are begging is wrong. The case is already in court. There's nothing I can do about it. Nothing.
Dad, please, you can do something about it. It's your son. You can do something about it. It's your son, Dad. Please.
Daddy, please. Daddy, help me. It's your son, please. Daddy, please.
I won't let it again. You think I will keep begging? If you like, leave your son there. Leave your son there. But if anything happens to David, in this house, I will burn down this house. I will burn everyone in this house. If anything happens to my brother, you people think you are smart. You people think you can get my brother in jail. How dare you? Huh? You want to beat me? You sent my money away so that you people can enjoy my father's sweat. What? Where were you when my father was with me? Suffering with my mother. Where were you? Do you know where were you? Leave her. Auntie! I said where were you? You confidence! Leave her. Where were you? With my mother! I said where were you? Slap you! You understand what you're doing? That's your head! You will somehow! You will somehow! That's your head! Force you! He was forced you! I can force you this minute! Ella!
Auntie, leave her!
I'm sorry.
Auntie! Leave her!
Ella!
Leave her! Don't drag yourself to her level now. Eh? Leave her, it's okay. Leave her, sit down! Leave her.
Obiora, we came to you because of the negative news that has been coming up from your house. That your second son stabbed his elder brother without no reason. No reason. And is now being charged for attempted murder.
Mana, we are also reliably informed that Grace, your first wife, is no longer staying with you in this house.
Yes.
It is very bad for your image as the next king of Umoja. Many of our people have written petitions to the President General of our town union, to the Igwe's cabinet, and to Ndenzen also, telling them that you are not worthy to become the king of Umoja. See,
I love my people and I want the best for them. Whatever decision my kinsmen take, I accept. Whatever decision. My call called him Ma. Even if it means choosing another person to be the king, I will stand by the wishes of my people. I can only leave I never from now. I'm okay.
Obiora, it is true that petitions were written. We, your kingsmen, held an emergency meeting and approached all those who wrote petitions against you.
Yes.
We urged them to withdraw their petitions. They've done that.
Yes.
So please, Manna, put your house in order. Dozie bego, makonya chimuro be amanchi obodo.
Oh, yeah, no.
Dozie bego.
Iru maluru zu adam upon unye.
So, put your house in order.
I'm fine.
Can I sit down?
This is your father's house. You don't need my permission to sit.
I'm truly sorry for doing this to you.
You mean trying to kill me?
Victor, I'm sorry, okay? I don't know what happened to our family. When I saw you lying on your pool of blood, that day you were stabbed, it dawned on me that we are useless. Victor, please forgive us. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Come, let's go.
Yes! Hey! Say that's my mother. Because to Odaliwe Jenga.
Odaliwe Jenga.
Say it again.
Odaliwe Jenga. Hey! My mother. Hey! Roni and the Abiko we boya o. Pam.
I'm so proud of you. It's very natural. Everywhere.
My mother. Who took off me? Nobody. They can't dare. You cannot. Mommy, you are welcome.
Thank you.
You are welcome.
Thank you. I know you missed me.
I missed you. Hey, that guy has not changed now. Hey, my mother.
I just want to make sure everything is.
Yes, so everything is perfect. You trust me now. You trust your doctor.
For them, do
when you fed them, nothing is happening.
No room for you.
Guys, are you seeing anybody here?
No way.
I can't see anybody. My mother. I tell you, go on.
Let's go now.
I am giving both of you second chance, especially you, Grace. You are my first wife. You helped me to work all these things, to achieve all these things. And I can't understand why you are now the one bringing all this confusion. Why? I mean, why are you doing it? You want to destroy all that we built together?
So you remember that I helped you achieve everything?
that is inconsequential here. It's inconsequential here. Change your ways, Grace. Change your ways, because I will not tolerate this again. Both of you should talk to your children. Talk to your children, please.
When is my son coming back?
I'm working on that. Grace, I am still talking to you. I am giving you another chance. You and your son have really called the name of this family. We are now a laughing stock in the water village. Embarrass me one more time, I will send you out of this house permanently. Yes.
What do you want?
Can I talk to you?
No. You cannot talk to me. I have nothing to discuss with you. Please. Before you instigate my husband and he will blame me again. Please.
I ask for your forgiveness. And I forgive you for whatever wrong you have done to me and my children.
Auntie, how did you go? That's a woman kind of thing. I told you, but you doubted me. I was just here on standby, so if she does any nonsense, I will run upstairs and tear her apart.
Carol, cool your temper. No. I don't want trouble, please. I don't want any form of trouble. Calm down.
Auntie, how can you be living with trouble in the house and you tell me you don't want trouble?
Carol, I have told you, I don't want any problem. I don't want any problem.
Auntie, I'm telling you my own now. I can only stay out of their way if they should stay out of my own way.
I have told you. It's your business.
Let's live with one love. Ooh, yeah. Vanity. Everything is vanity. Upon vanity, yeah. Everything is vanity. Upon vanity, yeah. Whatever that goes around will surely comes around, hey. Everything is vanity, yeah. Hey. Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity, yeah. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Let's live with one love. Ooh. Everything you have got, never boast with them. Everything you have got, know it's vanity, yeah. Everything in this life,
Are you deaf? You know you're calling. Are you blind? Don't you see these clothes are not dried? And so what? Hey, this is my father's house. And I can spread my clothes wherever I want. What did you just say? Are you deaf? I said go back to where you came from.
I am so disappointed in you, Ella. Are you this weak? Just a punch and you fainted. Shame on you. Shame on you, Ella.
Mom, she's exceptionally strong.
Oh, shut up! What's wrong?
Mom, I want to go down that road again.
Down which road?
Road of conflict. I thought, Father, you have changed.
You're very stupid. Mature officer! You're even worse.
Mom, when you were at Auntie Mary's place, she was kneeling from one person to another.
What did you just say?
She was kneeling and begging.
Is it true?
Yes, Mom.
No. Tell me it's not true.
We need peace in this family.
You knelt down for our enemies. And it...
I'm sorry.
Oh, give me one.
My husband, you did not hear that Carol hit my daughter and she fainted. If it was my daughter that hit anyone, you crucify her and send me away. Now you're quiet.
Ella was good. Yes, she shouldn't have insulted our visitor.
Then our visitor should leave. She had overstayed her welcome.
Meaning what? Meaning what? So you have the right and the authority over everybody. What right do you have to tell me when our visitor should leave and when she should not leave? What's your problem?
If you have plans to marry her as a third wife, then tell us.
Grace, you better be very careful. Be careful. Now leave my room. Out.
Ooh, yeah. Everything is vanity. Vanity upon vanity, yeah. Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything you have got, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity, yeah. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Let's live with one love. Ooh, yeah. Vanity, everything is vanity, upon vanity, yeah. Everything is vanity, upon vanity, yeah. Whatever that goes around will surely comes around, hey. Everything is vanity, yeah. Hey. Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything is fine.
God has given us second chance. Victor almost died. David almost would have spent the rest of his life in prison. And in that way, I'll just lose 2 of my sons. So, you people should be your brother's keeper. Love each other. Let love reign. And my own second chance is for me to be a better father and a better husband. Let the past stay where it is as past. Let us forgive each other and forge ahead for better tomorrow. Do you want to say anything?
I had what to say, Father. I have forgiven David a long time ago.
David, what do you have to say?
David, I meant what I said in there. I'm truly forgiving you. This being the crown prince will make you happy. You can have it. I never wanted it. The near-death experience has really opened my eyes to the things of life. I want to enjoy this life to the fullest. And I need you too. David, one tree can never make a forest.
took the money I kept in my room? 300,000 naira. Who took the money? What is the meaning of this? I'm asking questions. In answering like that, you are looking at me, you are looking at me, saying that me like fool. Okay, listen again. Who took the 300,000 naira I kept in my room? This is the first time money is missing in my room. Okay.
Honey, I did not take your money. I did not.
Now, it is not. Listen. Oh my God. Now, David, come here. David, come here. Did you take the money I kept in my room?
I did.
You did? You did? Okay, where is the money?
I've spent it.
You spent 300,000 naira just like that, and you're standing here looking at me telling me that you spent it? You're looking at me. You're looking at me! Can you do it? I will kill you. And your father, I am stronger than you. I will kill you. Where is my money? Grace, are you seeing it? This is the seed you sow, and you will reap it. Look at it! Look at your son. He's now a thief, stealing from me. Hallelujah. Something disastrous will happen.
Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything you have got, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity.
What was the meaning of that? Eh? When did you become a thief? When did you become a thief? Eh? What did you do with that money? I am talking to you. Are you stupid?
Don't you dare push me.
Comes around it. Everything is vanity. Hey. Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Let's live with one love. Everything you have got, never boast with them. Everything you have got, know it's vanity. Everything in this life, it's vanity.
You needed to have seen the looks in his eyes. It sent cold shivers down my spine. I'm so scared of who he has become. He's saying the prison has changed him.
It's a good thing.
What? What do you mean it's a good thing?
Chris, if you are this scared of him, you can imagine how scared people will be.
Sister, you don't understand me. I said my son has become a thief. He has become withdrawn. He does not talk to anyone. And all you could say is, it's a good thing. sister! All the advice you've ever given to me has done more harm than good. Sister, you've ruined me!
Bear, Grace. I don't like him, Bali. If you no longer require my advice, just say so. Do not insult me in my own house. Are you really listening? In short, you know your way out, Biko.
David.
What did you do?
Nothing. But the way he was looking at me.
Did he do anything to you?
No. But I'm scared. He gave me shivers.
Then we'll have to be careful about him.
I'm scared.
It's okay. I will talk to your daddy about him when he comes up from the business. It's okay.
Okay, Mom.
Yes, hello. Hello. Yes, I'm Mrs. Patricia Koko. You say what? You say what? Jesus! Mom? Jesus!
What happened?
Jesus! What is it?
You see, your daddy had an accident.
What?
And he's dead! What?
Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything you have got, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Everything is vanity.
The death of your father is a big loss to your family and to Umoja Kingdom in general. He was a good man. He will be greatly missed. May his soul rest in peace.
Amen.
As painful as his loss is, the living have to continue living. And our kinsmen are looking up to you, Victor.
As the first wife to my late husband, I think it's disrespectful for you to walk into a grieving family and be talking about this.
I'm sorry you see it this way.
The whole thing should wait.
Uncle, I don't need it.
What?
My son, don't make a quick decision.
Uncle, I'm not making a quick decision. I never wanted it. I told Dave, my brother, he will get the next crown prince. I don't need it. And if the next king should come from my family, please give it to my brother Dave.
Well, you heard what he said. So,
Victor, if you refuse this, if you reject this offer, the throne will have to leave your family.
Why, Uncle? David, my brother, should be the next in line.
Naturally, yes, but our kingsmen have looked into it, and we cannot accept him due to his past and violent nature.
No nonsense! You said violent nature? What violent nature are you talking about? Hey! What violent nature? Hey! David! Leave me alone! David! Oh! Hey! Hey! David, please. It's okay. All hope is not lost. Allow me to deal with him. Because of his past and violent nature. Does it mean we've lost the fight? Is that what the elders are trying to say? Sister Mary is no longer picking my calls. She's now avoiding me. Mary, you've ruined me. You have ruined my life. You have ruined my marriage. Every single advice you gave to me, every decision I ever took came from you. You're my only sister. What did I do to you to deserve this? What? You deceived me. You deceived me. Mary. God will not forgive you. God will not forgive you.
I'm done with the children, so the kitchen switch burn and it affected the bedroom because the wire, red wire burnt. So I'll buy the 12 gang switch 3 and buy one row wire so that, because it's a conduit wiring, so that I can run the whole thing straight.
Okay. So how much is everything?
Okay, the total now should be is 12,500.
Including your workmanship?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. I'll give you money now so that you go and get them and then prepare everything.
Alright.
I'm coming.
We'll surely come back to you. Everything is vanity. Vanity upon vanity. Vanity upon vanity.
Hey, David! How are
Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious.
Auntie, where's David?
So you don't have respect anymore?
Auntie, David broke into my room and turned my room upside down.
And how do you know it was David?
I saw him, Mom.
Ah, busybody! Well, probably he was looking for my husband's landed documents that you hid in your room.
Well, you should have asked me.
Asked you? What insolence! Listen, my husband and I built his wealth when your mother was still fetching firewood in this village.
But Auntie, but all that document, I will start the lawyer. And since that is not right anyway, I think we are going to share it among ourselves equally.
How dare you tell me how my husband's wealth will be shared? Little thief. I'm not coming to you.
Wonder shall never handle.
What was that? I know what to do.
David, don't break into my room again. I want the share of our father's property or document. If not, I swear to God, I will burn down the entire building and everybody in it. Bet me! Don't dare me. David! David! David!
You are under arrest for the murder of Madam Mary Okolie.
What? How?
Yes. He murdered her.
Please calm down.
He murdered her and this man is a witness to that.
Mary Okolie. She's my elder sister. And she's still alive.
No, madam. She's dead. This young man murdered her and he's a witness to that.
Of course, I saw him stabbing her with a knife.
Officer, take him away.
No, wait, please.
Take him away.
There is a mistake of identity. Yes!
If you are not convinced, I have the picture and
Officer, take him away.
Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything you have got, never take it serious. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Everything is vanity, upon vanity. Let's live with one love. Ooh yeah, vanity. Everything is vanity. Whatever that goes around will surely comes around. Whatever you sow is what you will reap. Whatever you do to others will surely come back to you. Everything is vanity, vanity, upon vanity, vanity, upon vanity. Everything in this life, never take it serious. Everything in this world, never take it serious. Everything you have got, never take it serious.